Hello folks, my name is Robert Pound and I am a product technologist for Quest. Today you're going to see how to move data around in Toad Data Point using the ImportExport Wizard. So in Toad Data Point, if you already have your connections established, you can click the drop-down list here in the ribbon bar, and it will show you both the Import and Export Wizard. These two are dependent on what's currently in focus. Right now we have local storage in focus. But what we're going to talk about today is the import-export data. So if I click on this, it will present you with a new window. And in plain English, it tells you what we're going to do. So we're going to get the data from, and then you have these different options. And we're going to put it into, and then you have different options as well. So essentially, these are different permutations of the import and export wizard. So for instance, if I wanted to export data out for Power BI, as an example, I would choose the data sources. And since we're talking about Power BI, let's choose SQL Server. And I would come here to Flat File, which is already selected. And once I click Next, it would open up an export wizard that would walk me through the process of exporting data out to my data of choice. In the case of Power BI, it would be Excel. Another common scenario is pulling data into your local sandbox so that you can do analysis offline. We could use the results of a query, for instance, to pull data into our local storage. So let's go ahead and again use SQL Server, but this time we're going to change to data source table. So here it's already set up, but if we choose from the drop-down list, we could choose the different sources available. Local storage that comes with Toad Data Point is where we're going to put the data. And if I click Next, we are presented with a import wizard, which allows me to input a SQL statement if I would like. I can also choose to select a file. In this case, I already have it set up. So this query, as the name implies, pulls employee information. And once we have the desired data, we can choose to push this into the local storage into an existing table if it matches up. If it doesn't, we can obviously choose the columns that we want to be pushed into the target table, or we can create a new table, pulling all the data that we have from the query into a single table. And we can name this whatever we like. We can demo table customer for this example and choose the schema if there's more than one. And choose Next. At this point, we could add more to this import, but for now, I'm just going to use this single instance. So I'm going to click Next. So I'm going to go ahead and choose Import now, but there are options to, for instance, create a template of all the steps that we've done for use in automation. We can also send this directly to automation if we wanted to start building out an automation and running this weekly or daily, etc. But I'm going to go ahead and just choose Import now. And the new table has been created in local storage, as we can see here on the left. And that's all there is to it. Hopefully this helped you understand about moving data in Toad Data Point and the import-export tool. For more information on this or other topics, you can look in the help file. It has a wide range of information and tutorials to help get you started. You can also check out the community-driven innovation going on at www.toadworld.com. For more information on this product, go to www.quest.com/products/Toad Data Point. Thank you and have a great day.